So this is the scene at the pub in Jerry's store. It's a sea container that's washed from someone's place. I have no idea whose, but it's parked there. A few local folks stranded in Kin-Kin. And somebody's sea container. And here's the marketing house crew. Have you ever seen rain like this in Kin-Kin?
Never!
Do you know where the container came from? Do you know where that container came from?
Up there somewhere.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
up there.
Well, that could be from Mark Linson's. I don't know how Mark's going, but he's got to be. Hey? In the pub? Wow. Now, here's Samuel rescuing some people from the pub. Just repeat that.
Oh, where I saw it at its deepest was just above that shipping container right there. Probably just lapping over the top of that.
Right, so the shipping container washed down here and it was right to the top of the shipping container.
That shipping container came down through over here and as though just hit that hit the building and it was lapping over the top of it. Ferocious.
This is walking through the back to the oval at the back. Somebody's car there. It's been flowing over here. The water's probably down 2 metres, but you can see over there where everything, all the debris been washed up to the people's house. I don't know who was staying in the pup tent there, but there's all the hotel furniture. Just absolutely amazing. Well, everything's gone out of the park. All the horse yards and everything from over there is just all completely gone. The lid's even washed off the power box. I don't know what the go is there, but the power box has obviously been underwater. The lid of that's gone. Look at the water. Another one over there. And those power boxes are about 1,500 to the bottom of the power box off the ground. Over 2 metres. Over 2 metres to the top of those power boxes. Again, just the water flowing through the barn at the back of the pub. Absolutely destroyed. The water has dropped somewhat. We can start to see the traffic island there now. And we can see the base of the sea container earlier. And there's the gas bottles from the pub. And the chairs. And you just blocked my view. See they had to cut the fly screen to get out the windows.
So where did the water get up to? Up to,
Oh, sorry. Well, you can see where it got up to about there. Yeah, they said near the top of that. Well, you can see something's been flooding over the top of that container.
oh
And it has just, in here, it's just absolutely it's just, oh well, it's filled that cupboard up over there.
It is.
Was up. Look at the grass up in the top of this window here.
Wow.
Now we're down at the pub. The water has dropped at least a metre from where it had gotten to. Probably 1.5 metres drop down. I'm standing, there you go, halfway up my calves, and just looking through the road somewhere under all of this. This is Cooper taking a photo of me, and I'm taking a movie of Cooper. And some of the hotel furniture and the gas bottles ripped the fitting right off the wall as they tried to float away. Cars. Wow, has that got just washed in here? Right. Some alarm's going off somewhere. Oh, that's the car. That's car's alarm. Yeah.
Now.
There's what?
Right there, that way. There's broken glass and wires everywhere. I can't let you be on the premises.
All right. Yeah.
Where do you reckon they go?